Okay, class, so I know lots of you prefer to sort of have me verbally walk you through problems, and I'm obviously not in the room with you to help you do that, but what I'm going to do is just walk through those steps of completing the square. So every time you're trying to do the problems in the Canvas check, you can sort of just play this video in the background and hear me giving you those verbal steps, so you don't have to keep flipping back and forth between your notes, because that can get a little bit tricky, especially when we're trying to learn a new process. So hopefully, if you have the Canvas quiz up, if you don't press pause, get the Canvas quiz up, get out a sheet of paper, and write down the first problem. Okay, once you have that first problem written down, okay, when you have that written down, the first thing you are going to do is make sure you're in the correct format. So right now, look at the problem, make sure it's in the form x squared plus bx equals c. Right? If it's not, you can pause this video and then give yourself time. Once you're in the correct format, okay, then you are going to first find b. Write that down. Second, take half of b or divide it by 2. Three, square that number. Make sure if it's a negative and you're using your calculator, you put it in parentheses. 4, you are going to add that number you just got to each side. Five, you are going to add the 2 numbers you have on the right. And you are going to factor what you have on the left. Keep in mind, when you factor the left, it's always going to be a binomial squared, and you can pull the number that you got in step 2. Step 6, you are going to square root each side. Step 7. Okay, this is important based on what you did in step 6. Make sure when you added that square root in step 6, you added the plus or the minus. Okay, because in step 7, we are now going to solve for both situations. Rewind and replay this video for each problem until you know these steps without needing them read to you.